Okay, the next thing that I really am happy to show off here is the natural language approach for getting at data. Now, I've provided some suggested simple language here. You could use that, and it will really quickly give you a graph of where we stand. So, for example, what this is telling me here is that of all of the issues, here's the average age for each one of them and who owns them. So, for example, I own these 2 issues, and 3 other issues have not been identified as having an owner. So I could now go in and I could just type in simple language like show risks. I'm going to say show all risks. So right off the bat, I get a table of everything. And then I could say by work group. Now you can see it's starting to group them for me here. And now I can say by age. Whoops, got to spell that right. By age. Now, once I do that, it now decides that that needs to be in a graph form. Now, you can see these IDs are not really that helpful. So I'm also going to say title because I want to actually have the name of the risk itself. And here we go. I've got all the different individual items here. I can see here cultural integration is 250 days. I can see that legal and regulatory compliance is 104 days, and as we go. So it really gives you a good idea of how the power of this natural language processing works. So I'll just do one more, just thinking off the top of my head, show all changes by reporting level. And I got to spell that right. And then that gives me just a graph, or sorry, a table, and then by age for a chart. And here we go. Executive Steering Committee, I've got 228 days on that one, and I've got 86 days on that one. The program leadership, a little bit different, and the CEO, a little bit different. So again, real power here. Simple language allows you to get at what you're looking for. And if you don't want that, there's some suggested language here just that you can use right with the point of a click. Really powerful and fully available to anyone who has been permissioned.